Good morning YouTube from a sunny Douglas Head, and I'm here to show you, there she is, that tiny white speck will be here very soon. It is the new ferry, the Manxman, which is the steam packet's new passenger and freight ferry, replacing the Ben My Chree. If you've been here for TT, you may have traveled on the Ben My Chree, and if you've been here recently, you will have noticed she's getting on a bit. So this is her replacement arriving today. Quite a few people out here to watch. And why is it a big deal to watch a boat arrive? Well, we only get a new ferry every, 25 years or thereabouts. This is the latest one, built in South Korea. The Ben My Chree was built in the Netherlands in '98. This one is just brand new, hybrid diesel, high-tech, big. Ben My Chree 600 and something passengers, this 900 and something, which means more people can come over for TT. Good news there, way more comfortable, way more modern. And today is its maiden voyage to the Isle of Man, so quite a few people turn out to say hello to the boat that we all will probably be using for the next 25 years. So here is just a short video of the Manxman arriving on its maiden voyage to the Isle of Man.
Oh, it would have been, wouldn't it? Yeah. Far too late then. They were literally on my point.
No, cruise ships and also they come loaded.
Here it is, Maisie.
Oh, you're here. You're here, look.
Do you want to take a picture?
Well, that's it. There she is, the Manxman in all her glory. It's quite a bit bigger than the Ben, isn't she? So you just saw the Lieutenant Governor being the first person to get on board. Now, of course, all the VIPs are going to have a look around. I'm not a VIP, so I'll head home, edit this, upload it. And I'm sure if you come over for TT, you may be on this one in the future. That's it. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.